Hello, I'm Robert Linkonis, owner of Credit Restoration Associates. I've been fixing credit for 27 years. Very, very, very good at it. We're here to talk about our franchise program. We've had affiliate referral programs for many years, but it's now time to help as many people as we can. And we can only do that by leveraging what we know to help like-minded individuals be able to offer credit repair, credit restoration, ethical credit repair, ethical credit restoration to millions of people. That's what I'd like to talk to you about today. Our franchise program has different levels of intake. We've always had referral programs. For example, tax offices. The last 5 Liberty Tax conventions, we've had a vendor booth, and there's a lot of Liberty Tax franchisees who have this as an existing business to complement their tax office. But for the last 5 conventions in a row, we get asked all the time, can we buy a franchise of CRA, Credit Restoration Associates? Can we buy a franchise? Sure, we send you business. You send us money. We help people. But can we have a CRA satellite office in our Liberty Tax office? There hadn't been an answer for that up till now. Can we, as an independent tax office, have a CRA satellite office? Sure. You can refer people to us. There's different levels of service, which we're going to discuss. You can send people to us. We can pay referral fees, or we can pay residual income. As much as the customer puts into the program, then you receive a percentage based on our initial agreement. You can then offer our franchise as sub-recipients in other offices and receive overrides and royalties yourself. We do all of that now. If you're an independent tax office, every independent tax office needs to have credit repair as part of one of their additional businesses to complement their existing business. Real estate agents. So Realtor Fest is coming up. Realtor Fest is a large association of realtors, large convention. We're at all of those, just like the Liberty Tax conventions. Everybody's there, all the real estate agents. They all want to know, how can we complement our existing business with something else? Sure, they send us business. They want to get the customer back to sell the house. But can they receive residual income off of what the customer pays? Well, not before now. It's been a RESPA violation to receive compensation of any kind. This is not compensation. They have their own business. They're going to be signing up people. You will be signing up people into credit repair as an existing business and an owner of a franchise. Income you receive is income that you've generated. Residual income is based on what the customer pays moving forward as they're getting their credit fixed in the program. Whether they purchase the house and still need help for the following 6 months, you receive residual income for the entire time. It's a perfect complement to a real estate agent. If you have your own business, you're doing everything you can do to market that business, well, this will assist in the efforts of marketing your primary business. Independent automotive dealerships. We have a lot of independent auto dealers who send us business. What a compliment to have. You, as an independent auto dealer, you can have your own, what we call a quote-unquote when department. I got that from Mike Citron years ago. A when department is when they're going to get a car, not anytime soon, but it could be in the next 30 to 45 days, but they're not dead either. You're working on them. You're getting the credit fixed. You're receiving residual income of as much as the customer pays into the program. Whether they get their car and stay in the program for the next year, you're going to receive residual income. As an independent auto dealer, this will become a profit center, a new profit center, like aftermarket, like accessories. Credit repair will be a profit center that can eventually cover your entire marketing budget with the residuals off of credit repair. And then that's maximization of your advertising dollar. You got that customer onto the lot. Now you can receive referrals from them, of course, because they're happy that they fixed the credit. You didn't let them go down the street to buy a car from the dealership down the road from you, you retained that customer, you helped them fix the credit, you sold them the car, the customer's still in the program because they want to buy a house. You're receiving residual income for the next 12 months potentially on that customer. And the customer sends you referrals who will also stay in the program. It's a beautiful thing if you're an independent automotive dealership. Lastly, independent property and casualty insurance agents. We have a lot of independent P&C agents who send us business. Now, the beauty of that is if a product is sold that is credit related, such as auto insurance, such as homeowners insurance, insurance for a place of business, property and P&C insurance, it's dependent on a credit score. There is no breach of fiduciary duty of loyalty to your agent that once information changes, such as a credit score raising 100 points, why can you not requote the auto insurance policy? Why can't you requote their homeowners insurance and be justified in lowering their premiums and selling a new policy because you've helped them fix the credit? Tax offices, independent automotive dealerships, real estate agents, property and casualty insurance agents. Every one of you needs to have credit repair as a business to complement your existing business. Credit repair changes lives. Credit repair saves lives. Credit repair saves marriages. Credit repair helps us all as a society. As a society, if we're not trying to do everything we can to help every other member of society move forward, then who are we as a society? I'm Robert Linkonis. I'm going to be excited and honored to work with every one of you. Call today. Let's talk.